Perfect. Retro got back with another one on today's episode. It's early in the morning, so I hope you guys appreciate this one. We got the LeBron 19 Low Fruity Pebbles. I'm about to eat breakfast while we doing this because I'm hungry, fam. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button for all the Fruity Pebble goodness we're about to consume. You already know we're about to hit the turntable, spin them around like crazy legs, tear them apart, see what these hoses really made of in 4K. So without further ado, let's hit the turntable, fam. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, we are back with these magically delicious shoes, the LeBron 19 Low Fruity Pebbles. Well, Magic Fruity Pebbles to be exact. Wilma!
Hey,
what?
Stop yelling.
I need more milk. Let's take a look at this upper. First thing in the morning, and the first thing I gotta look at is textiles. God damn it. I'm just joking. These are fire. Textile uppers, man. Might as well just accept it. It's textile life. On top of that, clear outsoles. I'm gonna have to have a word with Nike, Brandon, Jordan, and LeBron for that one. Giant, semi-translucent, pearlescent Nike swoosh. Right in the middle of this React midsole. Very nice detailing, very milky in its design. This is basically what the cereal looks like, man, for the most part. I mean, it's maybe not as many colors as you see scattered here on my table, which I've destroyed for the purposes of this review, but cereal nonetheless. The only problem with this cereal is there's a lot of food coloring in this motherfucker. I'm about to get a stomachache eating this shit. LeBron James obviously must be a fan of this cereal. Synthetic textile upper, very breathable, very strong at the same time though, but it's also very fabric-like. I thought it was a plastic type of textile, but really it's a woven kind of thread, heat-treated, woven, pressurized fabric, and it's very strong, very breathable, and it does have a lot of holes in it, so you can actually see some of the cereal kind of poking through there. God damn it, Nike, I'm so jelly, eh? You guys didn't see the media package they're sending the other guys? They all got Fruity Pebbles and the bowl and the spoon, and I ain't get nothing. I'm sitting here eating regular cereal like a punk. Gotta stop smoking weed on my channel. We have white and purple laces here, and the purple and white is basically a play off of the color that the milk turns from the Magic Fruity Pebbles, man. It turns a purple color, and so do these shoes, which I will show you very shortly. Toe box area has a very milky design to it. It almost looks like what happens when you leave cereal and milk too long, and all the sugars and stuff leach out into the milk. So it has a pearl effect to it, man. It's basically leather, but it doesn't feel very leather-like. It feels very plastic-like. This Nike swoosh looks very cereal-like in its appearance. It's kind of floating in milk. It almost looks somewhere between a stone swoosh and a cereal swoosh, if you will. Mudguard section here is also pearlescent. Now, I gotta admit, upon first images of the LeBron 19 Low, I wasn't that impressed. I ain't even lie, I wasn't that impressed, fam. The airbag looks weird. It looks like it sticks out 2/4 of a mile from the shoe, and I don't know about the durability, but these feel pretty nice. To polyurethane section here that's wrapping the React. Now this React is very springy and it's very reactive. That's why it's called React, man. I can tell that this pair was worn before, and you can always tell if a pair of shoes has been worn before if you see these creases in the midsole, and that's what happens with React and Boost. Once you wear it, it's gonna crease no matter what, and you're gonna see it. LeBron James signature right on the side of the shoe. LeBron James branding here on the front with the signature lion head, red on purple, LeBron James, milky, semi. This has the same print as the toe box here, except it's in red. Whatever, yo. Captain Crunch is better than this shit anyways. I'm a Captain Crunch man. And especially they came with that chocolate and caramel flavor. Woo! That's my joint right now. Now, a portion of the shoe actually is plastic. This part here is a very malleable plastic. It is hard though, helps to add a little bit of rigidity to this flap. I don't know if it's aesthetically the best looking piece and part of the shoe. Neoprene inner, and those insoles are very special. I will take those out and show you guys those insoles as soon as I get a chance. You have these purple ankle nubs that are here for cushion, and it really hugs the back of your foot and really presses the back of your ankle into the shoe, helps for stability and lockdown, and so that, you know, these things aren't getting squirrely on you while you're trying to cross somebody over. After I ate that bowl of cereal, it made me realize how I ate so much cereal back in the day. My stomach must have been bulletproof back then, because my shit's rolling right now. I might need a Pepto-Bismol after that shit. Neoprene interior, and you have special branding on the inside of the tongue that people might have missed. Magic Fruity Pebbles matches the box pretty well. Box actually has the same thing, man. It's pretty much the same thing. This traction design is very nub-like. They've moved away from what you usually see on the Lebrons, and you usually see this kind of like waffle design, whereas these have very much a nubby type of design. When you first get these shoes, they're probably going to work really well, but as those nubs wear off, they're probably going to become less and less functional. I'm expecting the fact that these are going to collect a lot of dust, so just beware. If you're tired of wiping your shoes down, you have a React core going straight through the center of the translucent outsole. Nike React branding in purple here, just to let you know what's on the outsole. Now you have more of this serial print. This shoe actually features some of that old technology. It's similar to the DMX technology that Reebok used, and it basically, what it does is it transfers the air from one portion of the airbag to the other. So if you step on this side, it helps to push the air to this side. You actually can see directly through to the airbag there. That's not even an airbag. No, it is an airbag. It's an airbag still, but you can see directly through it. Interesting stuff. And if you look in, you can also see the channel that runs right through the airbag there. Now, what's special about these shoes is this airbag actually turns a nice purple color when it hits a UV light. What does that mean in layman's terms? Well, it means when you go out in the sun, it's going to change color, fam. So Magic Fruity Pebbles change color in milk, and so do these. Well, not in milk, I mean they change color in sunlight. I love color changing shoes. I'll make sure on the on foot that you guys see what it looks like when the light hits these baddies, because it is a significant color change. Not all shoes change colors as nicely as they do. Now let's take a look at the box quick, because the box itself is pretty cool, man. The milk is half turned color on this, and you have a see-through window which shows you some of the cereal colored paper that you get here. The unboxing experience on these is phenomenal. You don't get many shoes that correctly represent cereal and milk. It's hard to do, fam. Box reads LeBron 19 Low white yellow strike, size 9. That's all that was left, fam. What do you want? RFID scan code, chip, all of that good stuff. Magic Fruity Pebbles branding there. As you can see, the milk's turning colors. This cereal actually does turn the milk colors. I couldn't get my hands on a box early enough, and go figure, I recorded most of this review after I found the Magic Fruity Pebbles, but I ain't buying 2 boxes of Fruity Pebbles, fam. I'm not doing it. Cereal branding on the inside, and it just looks like a giant bowl of cereal here, especially when you open the box. I love when Nike and Reebok and all these guys do branding on their boxes. It helps to alleviate some of the pain for paying for these shoes, because they're so goddamn expensive. You might as well give us a nice box, fam. When you're talking about sizing, I'm gonna say true to size or up half a size. Most likely up half a size, because most LeBrons run real narrow. So if you're a wide footer, make sure you're going up half a size, fam. Now, before my cam gives up on us, let's take a look at these outsoles. They're a bit dirty, and as I said, you can always tell if a pair of shoes is worn if there's any kind of weird crap in there, and I got some random foreign DNA in there. LeBron James in Flintstone world dunking on him. The one thing they got right on these was the insoles. These are fire, fam, and they did a good job of putting LeBron James in Flintstone land. How come we didn't see Fred in Space Jam? LeBron James basketball. I guess this is what he would look like in Flintstone land, and you got Fred trying to block the shot. You know what I mean? Maybe I should put Fred up here, make it look like he has a chance of blocking that piece. At least you get something interesting to look at when you put shoes on. Let's talk about this stuff on the back. I forgot too. You got a LJO JAM. I don't know what that stands for. If anybody knows and can speak Swahili, comment in the comment section. LeBron James Low. I don't know. It is what it is, man. Let me know what you guys think this shit says in the comments if you guys have your own ideas. Obviously, there is just so much to look at this shoe. But if you guys are a fan of Sunday morning cereals, let me know, man, because Sunday morning cereals used to be my life. It used to be a food group. We don't eat cereal these days as adults, and it sucks because most of us don't even eat breakfast anymore. So let me know what you guys think of the LeBron 18 Low in the comments section. Anyways, guys, that's the review for today. Let me know what you guys think of the Fred Flintstone Fruity Pebbles, Magic Fruity Pebbles cereal. I don't know. It is what it is. Maybe a hit with the kids, but I don't know if too many adults gonna be rocking this. You might see it on court, you might not. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, because I'm interested to know myself. Retro God, only sneaker channel where we wear what we like and not what's the hype. See you guys on another one.
Perfect.